will share with you a Premiere plugin called Premiere Pro FX. The plugin contains more than 10,000 visual effects, sounds, music, colors and more. Divided into the following 11 categories. First, FX Master, studio visual effects with sound design mix, including camera shakes, glitches, lens distortion and more. Second, Transition Master, studio cinematic seamless transitions with full sound design. The third, Color Master, studio. Enhance your video, including cinema grades, HDR grades, etc. The fourth, Looks and Effects Studio. Create and design your own looks and effects, including film effects, blurs, chromatic aberrations, glows, light leaks, night effects, and more. The fifth, Motion Master, Studio, the animation effect makes your video or text move. The sixth, Text Animation Studio, text animation, makes your title and text move. Seventh, Camera Master, Studio camera effects. Eighth, Screen Master FX, Studio slideshow and multiscreen kit. The ninth, Sound Master, Studio more than 4,000 movie, sound designs. 10th, Music Studio royalty-free music. 11th, Music Creator, Studio, you can design your own music.